Only half a month subsequent to being propelled, the lava red variation of the OnePlus 5T cell phone is formally sold out in the United States and Canada. This declaration was made by the Chinese organization itself through its Google Plus account. In Europe, the model is by all accounts still accessible, at any rate it's recorded as in stock on the organization's German online store. It merits saying that the handset's European dispatch happened in indistinguishable time from the US discharge.